Selling your percentage of an LLC isn't as simple as selling personal property. It involves legal procedures, member consent, and potentially significant tax implications. Whether you're retiring, raising capital, or resolving disputes, understanding how to properly transfer your LLC interest is crucial. When you own a percentage of an LLC, you possess what's called a membership interest. This gives you certain rights to participate in company management, especially in multi-member LLCs, where all owners typically have equal authority to make decisions. Selling your percentage means transferring these rights to someone else, which can significantly impact how the business operates. For single-member LLCs, you generally have freedom to sell your interest at any price. However, multi-member LLCs often have restrictions outlined in the operating agreement, including valuation methods, consent requirements, and rights of first refusal that give existing members priority to purchase your shares. Several key documents are essential when selling LLC interest. First, review your operating agreement for transfer clauses and buy-sell provisions. You'll need a bill of sale to transfer ownership, along with a membership interest purchase agreement, outlining terms and conditions. Depending on your state, you may need to file amended articles of organization, notify the IRS with Form 8822-B, and update EIN records and state registration documents. People sell their LLC interest for various reasons. Some are planning retirement or exiting the business. Others need to raise capital by bringing in investors. Internal disputes among members sometimes necessitate ownership changes. Business reorganization or succession planning may also prompt a sale. Each scenario brings unique considerations, especially regarding whether you're selling to existing members, new investors, or family members. Transferring a partial interest means changing the percentage ownership structure of the LLC. Most states require unanimous consent from existing members before adding new ones. Remember that 100% of ownership must be allocated among members, so a new member's percentage comes from existing members' shares. Without a buy-sell agreement in your operating agreement, you'll need to follow state statutes, which in some cases might even require dissolving the company. Determining the value of your LLC percentage is often challenging. Common methods include asset-based valuation focusing on net assets, income-based valuation considering projected future earnings, and market-based valuation comparing similar business sales. If your operating agreement specifies a valuation method, you must follow it. Otherwise, hiring a business valuation expert ensures fair pricing. Keep in mind that minority interests often sell at a discount due to limited control and liquidity. The tax implications of selling LLC interest vary based on how your LLC is taxed and the structure of the sale. Generally, selling membership interest results in capital gains or losses. However, certain assets like inventory or unrealized receivables may be treated as ordinary income. In multi-member LLCs, proper reporting on tax forms is essential for both buyer and seller. Professional tax advice is highly recommended to navigate these complexities. To sell your LLC percentage, follow these steps. First, review your operating agreement for any transfer restrictions. Second, obtain written consent from other members if required. Third, determine a fair value for your interest. Fourth, draft a comprehensive sales agreement. Fifth, update all legal documents including the operating agreement. Finally, notify relevant authorities including the IRS, banks, vendors, and licensing bodies. If you're not ready for a complete sale, alternatives exist. You could gift your interest to family members, though gift taxes may apply. Creating a profit-sharing arrangement allows financial benefits without transferring equity. A silent partnership lets someone invest without gaining managerial control. Convertible notes can provide immediate funding with the option to convert to equity later. Selling your LLC percentage requires careful planning and proper documentation. The process is governed by your operating agreement, state laws, and tax regulations. Whether selling to insiders or outsiders, partial or full interest, understanding your rights and obligations is essential. For complex situations, consulting with a business attorney specializing in LLC transactions can help ensure a smooth transfer while protecting your interests.